Redemption Road.
Like, subscribe. I can't spell them. Ready? Ready? Say ready. Go.
Square up. Ready?
Ready, go.
Yeah! Get the strap. I'm not even pulling with my left arm. It's fucked.
I almost blew my elbow out here. When I went from the top roll to the hook, because you forced me into the hook, I almost blew my elbow out saving it. You did not pin me, though. It was a beautiful catch, and it hurt.
My left arm's on fire.
Right here. Bad. I don't know if I can make it all. Or if I should even attempt it.
Ready?
Here comes the lock.
Yeah. You good with that? We got 60 seconds. That's gonna be very tight. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah! My fucking Dodge Charger to your fucking Scion.
That's for sure.
My left elbow, y'all. Ow! I'm off camera. Hold on.
You ready to go left, though?
I can't go left arm at all.
What?
No way in hell. No way in hell. My left arm is already like, and I do nothing but hold my weight with it.
Even without the strap?
Even without the strap, bro. Left arm's toast. I gotta hang a light fixture tomorrow too. A couple of them.
Strap.
Oh, I got myself a quick rub down before I can even grab the fucking table again. Oh, good God Almighty. Then Brack, yeah.
Put that strap down. You gotta earn that strap.
Hand open. Point it at me. Push in. And your thumb. You want to play like that? We can play like that.
No, I'm just kind of mimicking what I'm feeling.
I'm close. I'm ready when you're ready. I will post you and make you start straight.
Beautiful top.
Yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Don't run from me.
Couldn't get it.
Shit. That was about my only chance, I think. Holy shit, you almost broke my arm.
No.
I turned way out on that precipice. So fuck it.
Run the strap.
Yeah.
I don't even know if it's smart to go again.
Smart.
It ain't hurting like the left one. Yeah, smart. I got a full-time job I have to go to. Here.
I'm wrestling this time.
Hold on. Intermission. Y'all watch this 60-second shit on WAO. We'll be fine.
I might have pinned you. I don't know though. It was real close.
Flop wristed. You would have if I wouldn't have flop wristed for sure.
Good move because I had to force me to top roll because I was high up in your hand, pinning me down your wrist. You sure you don't want to left? So rest that right arm.
Yeah, I'm motherfucking positive. My left arm hurts way worse than my right arm.
Oh, that's weird.
Oh yeah, I earned a strap. Hey, you're pulling it. I'm not pulling it.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah, you can go.
Ready, go! Why did I follow your move?
King's move for a
followed
reason.
it. I shouldn't have. I should have stayed inside.
We're cutting it short tonight because I'm
one more?
dead.
No. No more right?
Call me Bobby Brachiolis because I'm out.
God. Got me again.
Look at fucking King's move. That was insane.
Hurt. Like, subscribe.